Ku ata naitanik, hey hey.
How do matter and energy cycle through ecosystems? Well, let's get into it. Our temperate rainforest, Eetí, is a complex system of interdependent relationships. Energy comes from the sun to make plants, producers, grow. Then animals, consumers, eat the plants. When the animals die, they become food for the decomposers, who turn the organic matter into nutrient-rich soil. And the cycle continues.
The Mendenhall River is home to dog salmon. After they spawn, they make their way to the shore if eagle doesn't get to them first. Ravens often feast on their carcasses until they decompose and nourish the soil so plants like skunk cabbage can grow.
We know when the summer is coming to an end, when the fireweed loose flowers are gone and the white fluffy seeds dance in the wind. Fireweed juice can help to restore nutrients in the soil. It grows in many places here, like along highways or in a forest after a wildfire.
Foxes, nagase, are omnivores and love to eat juicy red huckleberries. Decomposers like snails, mushrooms, and worms help to break down organic matter to create nutrient-rich soil for the plants to grow in.
Bear. Hoots love eating juicy blueberries and salmon berries. Decomposers like worms break down their poop to create nutrient-rich soil so more berries can grow. The snowshoe hare is nibbling on blueberries until a sly and intelligent fox decides to nibble on it. And in an instant, a bear comes along and scares away the fox. Decomposers need food too. They come to finish what the fox began.
In the late summer, brown bear hoots eat delicious ripe blueberries, hanata. Bears are dependent on plants like berries for survival.
Fireweed, lush, relies on energy from the sun, jagan, to grow tall during the warm summer months. As time passes, the small pink flowers bloom and become an important food source for pollinators. The robin, swooped in, landing gracefully in the meadow. Then a fox poked its snout out, stalking the pouncing to grab the It struggled until it went limp. The hurried to its den, discarding the bones that were eaten by the decomposers to make soil.
Soil, slosh. It's created when decomposers like worms, bacteria, and fungi break down organic matter like dead trees. Delicious salmonberries wash on glegu grow in the soil to feed the animals in the forest.
The sun is a huge source of energy here on Earth. Its heat makes spruce trees grow to the height of mountains. As Romeo the wolf watches spruce cones fall to the ground as the sun makes them grow.
An energetic hummingbird quickly zips through the forest to find fireweed. Someone approached to cut down the with looking on, it was worried that none of the sweet nectar would be left for it to survive. Happily, it spotted a lupin growing nearby.
Dead trees provide homes and food for organisms like snails and mushrooms. Mushrooms work together with other decomposers like invertebrates and bacteria to turn the trees into soil.
Powerful energy from the sun warms the soil and mixes with carbon dioxide and water to help grasses and fireweed grow and thrive.
The red fox and its pup depend on salmon berries for food. The butterfly plays a role too as a pollinator. If the foxes are lucky, they finish off their meal with a tasty salmon.
When a tree dies, it becomes home to and food for fungi, bacteria, and invertebrates like mushrooms. As they feast on the dead tree, the nutrients help them grow. Worms help break down the dead tree into nutrient-rich soil so more plants can grow.
The more I observe the wonders of Ani, the more I understand that everything is connected. Energy and matter cycle through our ecosystem every day, from a bear needing salmon to survive, to the decomposing fish creating nutrient-rich soil. It's all about relationships. We all need each other to survive and thrive.
Hey ya, hey, hey ya, hey ya. Lishugu at kanai sanik. Hey ya, hey, hey ya, hey ya.